Hey guys, welcome to Toy Scouter. It's me, Toy Hunter, and today we have a giant Dora the Explorer surprise egg. This egg took us 5 hours to make, so give me a thumbs up if you like it. Can you guys tell me what Dora says to Swiper when she doesn't want him to steal stuff? If you know the answer, put it in the comment section below. Alright guys, say bye to Dora because it's time to take her apart. Let's start by taking off her legs. Her arms, backpack, and upper body. A lot of cool detail in here. And her face. Looks good, right? There's a bunch of toys in here. I hear something. See Shopkins, Unicornos, Dora toys, and more Shopkins. This is gonna be awesome. Let's start with this one. We got a Shopkins Season 3 basket. Here's the checklist. And there's a bunch of Shopkins to get. Shopkins number 1. Her name is Frosty Fridge and she's super cool. She's all blue and she's a refrigerator. Ooh, look, there's a little snowflake on her head. Awesome. And here's Shopkins number 2. And here we have Wanda Wafer. She's pink and she has a little headband that's silver and she has 4 chocolate sticks. She's kind of like a Kit Kat. This is a Disney Figaro keyring blind bag. And on the back, it shows all of the keyrings we can get. Sweet! We got Peter Pan! And he looks super cute. I love his green clothes and his green hat. And here, it comes with a keychain so you can put it on your backpack. I would definitely show this off to my friends. We got a Dora doll, and on the bottom it says Doggy Day Dora. And on the back, there's 3 other dolls we can get. This is pretty cool. Here she is, and she looks super cute. I love her outfit, and her shirt has a little dog on it. Here she has a bracelet, and on the bottom of her feet, she has 2 pink shoes. And you can take them on and off. Cool. And here is her little dog. Let's see if he wants to go for a walk. You want to go for a little walk, boy? Okay, stop. Bye guys. Bye Dora. But before she goes, can you guys tell me the name of one of her best friends who's a monkey? If you know the answer, put it in the comment section below. We got a Minecraft minifigure season 2, and it's the Stone series. Here's some of the figures we can get. It's Saddle Pig, and he's super cute. Check it out. Here's a little saddle, and there's a G on his butt. Oink, oink. Oink, oink. I wonder if someone could ride him. Maybe we'll try it out later. Oink, oink. Awesome! We got a Sheriff Cali Wild West blind bag. And on the back, here are the figures we can get. We got Priscilla, guys, and she has a pink dress, a pink hat, and a pink umbrella. She looks like a skunk, and you could tell by her tail, because it's white. Psh, ew, you stink. Just kidding. Cool, we got a My Little Pony blind bag, and there's 24 figures we can get. Let's check it out. Here's the checklist. You guys ready to see which one we're gonna get? Bam! We got Apple Bumpkin. Isn't she pretty, guys? Check it out. Her cutie mark is caramel apples. And her fur and hair is all pink and red. She's awesome. Thanks, Toy Hunter. Bye, guys. Yay! We got a Frozen's Fashion. Let's check it out. It's an Olaf. I got a bunch of these guys, but it's still super awesome. Boop, boop, boop. Hey, stop squishing me. Hey, stop it. Stop it. You're so cute with those chubby cheeks. I love playing with these things. Bloop, bloop. This is called Adora's and Friends Magic Adventure Charms. And here's some of our other friends we can get with other charms. Let's check it out. Check it out, guys. Her arms are movable. Hola, amigos. Me llamo Dora. And look, she has long brown hair with super cool shoes. Awesome. Here's a bracelet we got. And for the charms, you just take one. Here's a backpack. And you just stick it on. And we got a camera. And her dog. Check it out. This bracelet is super awesome. I bet all your friends would love this. Nice! We got a Shopkins Fashion Tag blind bag. Here's the back. Here's the checklist. Let's take a look inside. And these are all of them that you can get. And on the back, it shows you what stickers you can get. Here are the stickers we got. We have Cheesy, Apple Blossom, Cupcake Queen, and Delish Donut, which sticks them on. And here's our fashion tag, and we got Apple Blossom! Super sweet! And on the back, it says Apple Blossom, number 2 of 18. She's pretty cool looking, right? Here's her a little worm coming out of her head. I wonder if it's her friend. And here's a little figure of Apple Blossom, and she's super cool. Check it out. You can still see the worm on her head. Hey Apple Blossom, who's a worm? He's just my friend. Cool. Let's put you in here so you can go to sleep. See ya. Can you guys help me count and see how many toys are left inside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We got a frozen foil pack, and each one comes with 1 dog tag and 1 sticker. Here's a quick look at the checklist. Here are the dog tags, and here are the stickers. Check out the cool stickers we got, guys. I kind of ripped it a little bit when I opened the bag, but it's okay. Can you guys tell me who this is? It's Elsa, Olaf, and Anna. Awesome! Let's put some on. And here's the dog tag we got, and it's of Olaf. Hip hip hooray! He looks super happy, doesn't he? I like this little guy. And on the back, it says Frozen Olaf, number 20 of 24. Cool! We got the Littlest Pet Shop blind bag, and there's 24 of them to collect. And here's a checklist for Series 3. There's a lot of cool ones, aren't there? I wonder which one we're gonna get. Isn't this bunny super cute, guys? She has long floppy ears, and she's all purple with blonde hair and a little hat. And she also came with this little teapot or teacup, and she sits in it. Like that. Bloop, bloop, beep, bloop, 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 bloop. Beer. Bye, guys. We got a DORA cell phone. And here, it changes when you move it around. Can you see it? And it has a bunch of different buttons on it, and it's a little charm of a butterfly. Let's try some buttons.
Hey, it's Boots! Are we going to go on an adventure today? Hey, it's Boots! Come over for some... Hey, it's Boots! Can you make it to my costume party?
Of course I can make it to your costume party. Yay!
Hi, soy Dora. Hola!
It's time for another trivia question. We know who this is. It's Dora. And earlier we saw this backpack. But can you guys tell me who that is? He looks like a piece of paper, and he has eyes and a mouth. If you know the answer, put it in the comment section below. Yay! We got a puppy in my pocket blind bag. And there's a bunch of puppies we can get. Let's open it up. Let's take a peek at the checklist and see which one we get. We got a Series 1. And here we are. I wonder who we got. We got Katie, and she's a Tibetan Terrier. She's all black, super short fur, and she has blue eyes. Cool. Boop, 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 boop. Walking the dog, walking the dog. Do you like taking walks, Katie? Alright, how about you go take a nap? And this is a My Little Pony Squishy Pops. Let's check it out. Check out what we got, guys. Here is a little charm, and it has Fluttershy's cutie mark on it. And then here is a little squishy pop, and it's a round little circle, looks like a donut. It's not too squishy. Cool. Oh no! We're down to our very last toy, guys, and we got a Unicorno blind box, series number 3. I love Unicornos. They're super cool, and here's all of them that you can collect. We got Scooter, and he looks super awesome. Look, there's a little lightning bolt coming out of his side, and he has a horn and a C on top of his head with the star around it, and his hair and fur is red and yellow. Check out his tail, it whips around. He looks super awesome. Even his little hooves are colored, and he has a mask. I think he's a superhero. Scooter is a superhero. Ha ha ha. Where the bad guys at? Ow, that hurt. I'm not a bad guy. Oh, sorry. And that's it, guys. We're all out of surprises. Which one was your favorite? Mine was Scooter. I just like him because he's super colorful. He's like 4 or 5 different colors. Awesome, huh? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Toy Hunter, and I'm out.